Welcome to Art on Pause. This is a new video in the What and Where Decor Material series. Today we are talking about the acrylic panels. Acrylic panels, as we know, are a very cheap substitution for the glass panels. It's less weight and it's more flexible, more flexible in terms of cutting, fabricating and designing. Of course, when you compare acrylic to glass, every item of these, it has its own characters, its own pros and cons. So basically you cannot say that one is better than the other, because everyone has its own functions. One of the latest trends in the acrylic panel world, of course I'm not going to show you the plain acrylic panels because it's well known. The latest trend in acrylic world is the sandwich type panel, like this beautiful panel. This acrylic panel is actually a sandwich panel. If you can see the section, it shows two panels with seaweed inserted inside. This is natural seaweed, by the way. This panel is treated differently from two sides. From this side, it's clear, and from the other side, it's matte. It's foggy. It's matte. So the visibility is, there's a bit of privacy here. So it's treated from two faces. It's treated in different way, and the seaweed, natural seaweed, was inserted to give you the beautiful natural appearance. So I'd like to thank Design Panel Company for providing this beautiful sample. Design Panel Company is one of the leading companies in doing this acrylic beautiful designs. I personally love the nature. I'm a nature lover. So this kind of design, it attracted me because it has this natural seaweeds. But the technology itself, it's very beautiful. That is sandwich system to put whatever finish you want inside this two panel, and then you will have a beautiful result. Another trend in acrylic paneling world is the 3D effect panels. You can see here that this panel, it's very thick, by the way. You see, it's about 15 millimeter. This is also a sandwich panel. If you notice that it's like three panels combined into one. That's one, the one here and at the edge, and the other one in the center, and the end piece. So this technology is very beautiful in providing semi-privacy, and at the same time it's not preventing the light. It's allowing the light in, but the privacy is a 50-50 guaranteed. And it's actually reflecting light in a very beautiful way. So basically these are the trends, the new trends in the acrylic panels design. I hope that this video was useful for you. I thank you very much for watching this video, and I thank you for coming back later for more videos about what and where decor material. Thank you very much.